In this video, we are asked to simplify the following expression. We are given cos squared 20 degrees plus sine 70 degrees multiplied by cos of 200 degrees. And we need to know that if I have sine of 1 is going to be the same as cos of 89. Sine of 2 is going to be cos of 88. Sine of 3 is going to be cos of 87. I'm sure you can see the pattern, ladies and gentlemen. As long as these angles between sine and cos add up to 90, the two trig ratios are equal. So sine 2 would go with cos 88. Sine 3 would go with cos 87. Sine of 43, for example, would go with cos of 47. I'm sure now you get the pattern. As long as the angles add up to 90, the ratios are the same. So we're going to use the same factor. I can indeed change this one to cosine of 20 because sine 70 and cos 20 are exactly equal since the angles add up to 90. So I basically have cos squared 20 degrees plus cos 20 degrees. Because sine 70 can change to cos 20, they are exactly equal. And then that will be cos of 180 degrees plus 20 degrees. Someone could have chosen cos of 270 minus 70, but I do not recommend that. I always advise students to choose 180 and 360 because those ones you do not have to do the cofunctions. But if you pick 90 or 270, you need to indeed do the cofunctions. So ladies and gents, let's see now. We have cos squared 20 degrees plus cos 20 degrees multiplied by, if you check this, cos 180 plus 20, 180 is here, plus we are in the third quadrant, so the cos is negative in the third quadrant. So when I say multiplied by negative cosine of 20 degrees, then we can see that we're going to have cos squared 20 degrees. Positive cos 20 times negative cos 20 will be negative cos squared 20. Cos squared 20 degrees. And these two guys are indeed like terms. We get the answer of 0. And indeed 0 is option D on our options. So we're going to go with option D. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope to add value. Thank you.